today we are going to see how to use paragraph spacing, means how to give space between two paragraphs as you see in your books, and we will be seeing how to write a paragraph in columns. Okay, so let me just give some space so that it would look like a paragraph. Just say give this much space so that it would look like paragraph. So here now what we are going to do, now we will be giving some proper amount of space between the paragraph. Already this much space I have given, but if you want to increase the space, then we can increase it in these ways. So first of all, what you need to do, first of all we will select the paragraph. Means selection is very important for anything. So again we will come in the home tab, and in the paragraph group, here we will see the option of line and paragraph spacing, and we will click on this down arrow, and then here we will see the line and spacing option. Okay, as we will get this option, we will come in the spacing. Here we have indentation, but we are not doing indentation now, we are doing spacing. So before means paragraph के पहले कितना space होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ 0. So if you want to increase, then you can increase. यहाँ देखो the changes are made here, we can see the changes here. Okay, और after paragraph के बाद कितना space होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 8 है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा भी सकते हैं. ठीक है, now I have increased, मैंने before भी increase कर दिया and I have increased after also. So now we will click on OK. See, the space between these two and these two has been increased. तो इस दोनों पैराग्राफ के बीच में क्या हो गया, स्पेस जो था वो हमारा क्या हो गया, बढ़ गया. Now if you want to decrease the space, so again like we just select it, go to here line spacing option, here we will decrease. Before को और क्या कर दो, कम कर दो, है ना, कम कर दो. After को भी क्या कर दो, कम कर दो, ऑटो कर दो. So the space between them will be decreased. So from here we can increase or decrease the space between the paragraph. So this was all about paragraph. Now let us see how to write these words into column. You all know na how does a newspaper look like. A newspaper is divided into different columns, है ना. So we are going to divide this paragraph which was on school in columns. So for that what we will do, we will first select the paragraph. Now we have selected the paragraph, and after selecting the paragraph we will go to the columns, and in the columns here we will see like 1, 2, 3 left and right is written here. So if you select 2, then you see directly it has been divided into 2 columns. Okay, or if you select 3, then what will happen, it will be divided into 3 columns. Okay, so this is how a newspaper looks like. The other options are like here left or like right. So basically it is up to us in what kind of column we want to divide. And there is one very important thing, that when the first column will be filled, then only it will move on to the second column. For example, means you cannot write, after writing here you cannot go here, no. After writing from here you have to go down. Means when you read newspaper also, then you see that we go top to bottom. Okay, so just see here, if you will write something, then what will happen, after finishing the first column, then the text will move on to the second column. See, it will be just moved automatically. See, after finishing the first column, it has been moved to second column here. Okay, so this is the very important thing which we need to understand when we are working with what, columns. We have to see something more about layout tab. In this layout tab, what we will see the orientation. We can arrange the page in 2 ways, either in landscape, okay, or in portrait. This is the landscape, okay, and this one is the portrait. Means when you do the drawing also, then what does your drawing teacher instructs you? Either you can draw it vertically or you can draw it horizontally. Okay, so we have 2 kinds of orientation, that is portrait and landscape, and portrait is the default orientation. Portrait is the default orientation. So my dear children, this was all about columns, orientation and paragraph spacing. I hope this would be very clear to you. Please do practice, then only you will be very free to use all these options and features of MS Word. Thank you.